unboxing video. We got the Air Max 98 in the Exotic Skins colorway. So this is your official sail white and sepia stone color of the Air Max 98. This year the Air Max 98 has been getting a lot of love. I'm sure you guys have seen and know that. There's been a lot of cool colorways of the 98s, even like a retro color. The OG color being retro this year as well. This time they come in with like a real clean execution of the shoe using some exotic type of material on the upper. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but on the side there you got some croc skin along with some pig suede and then some mesh obviously on the upper part of the shoe. Let's start by reviewing the outsole real quick. So the Air Max 98 uses the Air Max 97 tooling obviously, and then you can see you kind of have like this off-white outsole as well as the midsole with a little bit of white on there as well. Upper part of the shoe really uses a combination of materials, and that's one of the things I love about the Air Max 98 is that you could really see and pinpoint the layers if you really color block the shoe properly. You do have some croc skin on the side right over there, and then in the brown part you kind of have like a pig suede, and like all the upper part of the shoe kind of has like a nice blend of colors of like off-white, some like almost like a mocha colorway, and then a little bit of gray as well. Obviously you got the gray 3M hits on the side, text ballistic nylon on the upper along with some white embroideries on there, which is really dope. On the back of the shoe you got your little pull tab in white and gray, as you can see. Shoes come with your circular laces along with some other pig suede detailing on the toe box right there and on the top of the tongue. And then you got your circular laces. That's pretty much it. So yeah guys, this is the Exotic Skins Air Max 98. Really dope shoe. Nice combination of materials, and it's great to see that Nike is bringing back the 98 with some different iterations. Now it's time to check out what these guys look like on feet. Alright guys, this is what the Air Max 98 Exotic Skins look like on feet. These fit true size, so I wouldn't even bother going half a size up and half a size down. Just stick to your OG sizing. And let me know what you guys think about the Air Max 98 Exotic Skins on feet. I think they look super fresh. And if you're a fan of the 97s, the transition from the 97s to the 98, I'm sure it will be a sweet one. There's a lot of color opportunities and color blocking opportunities on the Air Max 98s, which is awesome in my opinion. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the 98s. Are you a fan of the 98s and are a fan of 97s automatically? I think this is a dope sneaker and it's a great transition, so I'm excited to see a lot more colorways on the 98s on feet. You guys know we had the cones and we had a lot of other colors of the 98s, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot more. Thanks for watching guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, see more sneaker reviews in the near future, hit the bell so that you don't miss any future reviews coming soon. Peace.